Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today we are going to this mall, which you can see. We're going to Logic City Center. From outside only, this mall looks good, pretty cool. I like this, like the design in this side. It looks so good, like so many rooms. It looks like a building, but it's a mall. Pretty super. It is a top mall. Yeah, top mall. We are going to the parking to park our car, and then we'll go inside. This is the parking, underground parking. We are just going to find a place to park our car, and then we're gonna go inside. Now we are inside the mall, and as you can see, it is like not only here, everywhere they are currently celebrating Christmas. There's a Christmas tree and gifts hung up there, and that's me. Hi. So we went to take some pictures with that Christmas tree. Overall, this is the center of the mall, like the ground floors, the center. We're standing right here. This is now like what it looks like from a video. There are many shops. Every mall has many shops. Yeah. The decorations are pretty good. They decorated the whole mall on Christmas theme. This is the food court. We are so hungry. If you know, whenever we are in the mall and we are hungry, of course, the first thing we'll do is go to the food court and eat. So we ordered a lot of food. First we ordered this chicken momo, two Szechuan pan-fried chicken momo. That is so spicy. And also we bought KFC, like KFC chicken, like the normal fried one, and a single burger, and french fries, and also a large popcorn. We also have many more things. It's already ordered, they are preparing it. Okay, my mission is to open this bottle can of Pepsi. I can do it. Everybody said I can. So I will. Yeah. I did it. We love eating KFCs. Everybody. And my favorite are burgers. I love KFC burgers. I love Burger King burgers also. I just love burgers. She likes to eat dosa sometimes, so we ordered dosa for my uncle. She wanted to eat dosa today, so we ordered it for her. And this, my family is one of the favorites. Like, so lovable. This is the 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬 smoky grilled chicken. Extra spicy. And then after eating so spicy, we wanted an ice cream. I don't like ice cream that much, but my Bruno likes it, and also my mom. Except for me, everybody likes it. I have some teeth problems, so I don't like eating ice cream. Anyway, and yeah, I think my stomach is now full, and I don't want to eat anything else. But after eating the ice cream, we had one smoky grilled chicken left, so I was eating that. After eating, we came to buy some headphones. Like our ones were old, so we wanted to buy some new ones. We selected our headphones and now we're waiting because they are packing it. We have got selected our headphones, and one we already bought it, and that one this one, but this one, and one more. We took two headphones, sorry, AirPods, this one and this one. We have finished our shopping, and now we want to go back. But then we saw the outside was so it was looking good, so we thought about taking a walk outside, and then outside is also very well decorated. I would say the trees are also decorated, and there are many shops there of different things, like exercise shops mostly I can see, but there are also some bookstores and jewelry and clothes. There are clothes and food also at that corner. These are some accessories. I wanted to buy a hairpin for myself. But no, this was not the one I was looking for.
जो रोड साइड या मेट्रो साइड ड्रॉप आउट बच्चे होते हैं ऐसे बच्चों को सेंटर्स में इन्वॉल्व करवाते हैं, उन्हें एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं। सो हम लोग यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा अमाउंट में कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, जैसे हम लोग संस्कार को पार्टी एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। सो इट इज़ पॉसिबल आप भी आगे आके एक छोटा सा अमाउंट में कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन करें, जिससे हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड। सो पॉसिबल सर।
Like I told you, there are many stores with many things. Toy stores also. Here there are so many keychains. I told you that I wanted to buy a hairpin for myself, but actually I wanted a hair comb like this. This was so hard to put because you know my hair was not combed. So still I put it, and I was going to buy this one. I liked it. So we buy that comb, and then there is only some rides there, nothing else. Now like we are full, and we also did some shopping, not shopping, some things we bought, and I also bought a hairpin. I liked it, and also AirPods. Now this is the end. There's nothing else to see in here. Now I think we'll go back to our car and then go back at home. We'll go and rest now because we are a bit tired, and it's also a lot of distance to come here. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, bye bye, ma salama, have a nice day.